Hi folks, and welcome to my Datacom channel. You know, if you've been looking for a little help with that Datacom project, phone, data, audio, or video, little project you're working on, and you're not quite where you're at, and not quite sure where you're at, and not what the next step might be, you know what, you may have found the right channel. My name is Ron, and I work for IDEAL Industries, and I've been with IDEAL actually over 20 years now, and I've been in the electrical and low voltage and electronic industry really all my life, and over those years you learn a few things, and you learn a few things you shouldn't do, and I have trained, believe it or not, literally thousands and thousands and thousands of people on how to install Datacom stuff. And you know what, I've been told for years I need to get some of this stuff on the internet. So you know what, this is my year. I'm going to shoot, I don't know, 30, 40, maybe 50 videos on the internet here this year. So keep coming back to the channel, and hopefully you'll find what you're looking for. And if you don't, make a suggestion. I'd love to maybe look at what you're wanting us to do. So, and the term Datacom is one of those generic terms that we use to describe all these basically low voltage applications. And you know, I tell everybody this is all low voltage. It's not like you're going to go home and burn down a house or kill anybody. None of this is rocket science. So go ahead and jump into it. With a little bit of information, I think you'll be fine with it. And you know, you can go out and get some very expensive certified training, and which is always pretty good usually. And the problem is that it's expensive. You usually have to go to wherever it's being offered, and one thing about getting certified in something is actually maintaining that certification long term and keeping it. So, you know, I think the channel here is going to have some very good information on it, some very informative information on it. And you know what? My email address is on every one of these videos. And folks, you can use me as a resource. And, you know, if I don't know the answer, and I guarantee I don't know them all, I might know where it is. So, you know, again, use me as a resource. And I'm going to dedicate, again, the channel to the term Datacom and the subject of Datacom, and obviously IDEAL Datacom products, because obviously it's a big part of this. And then on top of that, I think you'll find interesting some videos on residential structured wiring systems. Today it's so important that our homes are wired properly for low voltage. And I'll tell you, for about 1% to 2% of the cost of a brand new home, you can wire it like we tell you to. So it's not like it's a ton of money. I tell people it's the wire in the wall is the cheap part. It's what's outside the wall that gets expensive. But the idea is we want to wire our homes properly, and we all got this stuff in our homes. So keep coming back to the channel and be looking for that kind of stuff. So pick a video you think that might interest you, and sit back and enjoy it, and give me your feedback. Again, I'd love to hear it. So thanks for coming to the Ron Kipper Datacom channel, and you know what, we'll plan on seeing you on the next time.